Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. As you guys could tell from the title of this video, I have just received a brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics PR box, so I wanted to go ahead and dive into that box with you guys here. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into that PR box. We're going to look at what has been sent. We're going to give you guys a nice close look. Before we jump into that, guys, I just wanted to talk to you guys really briefly. First of all, we have a brand new announcement about the Valentine's Day mystery boxes. I'm happy to announce that those are going to be launching on Friday. So we're going to jump a little bit more into depth about that. As well as, guys, I don't know if you've noticed, but lately Jeffree has been on a kick. He's been filming a lot of videos. We've been getting a lot of uploads, and I feel like we're seeing a brand new side of Jeffree. I've been absolutely loving the content he's been putting out. I wanted to see what your guys' thoughts on it, but before we jump into that, let me show you a quick video of what I'm talking about.
Okay, you guys, we're back from Paris, already back into it, and we're about to shoot a few YouTube videos today. I'm so excited. Now listen, I haven't showed y'all anything in a while, but my garage has some new additions, and we're gonna be filming that. We have new makeup reviews coming. We're trying out the new NARS foundation. We're trying out the new Charlotte Tilbury foundation. We're trying out the new e.l.f. cookies and cream collection. Baby, there's so many reviews coming. You two better saddle up. Okay, you guys, just wrapped up filming 2 YouTube videos. Just wrapped up doing a photo shoot. And bitch, we're feeling sickening. So there are so many videos coming. I'm so excited. A lot of surprises. And then tomorrow, we're revealing the Valentine's Day mystery boxes. So saddle up. They're coming later this week.
So as you guys heard for yourself, there are such amazing things coming. We know now that we're getting the Valentine's Day mystery boxes on Friday. This time there's only 2 tiers, which I'm actually excited about. I always pick up every single one, so it's just less pressure for me. There are a total of 5 exclusive items in the larger Supreme box. The deluxe box also has amazing goodies in it. We have some really cool new exclusive items. I'm gonna post some pictures up here for you in case you guys didn't see the reveal video yet. I cannot wait. Guys, you already know I'm gonna be picking up both of the tiers. I'm gonna do an unboxing on this channel, so definitely stay tuned for that. And without any further ado, let's jump into this PR box. All right, diving in here, these are always wrapped so nicely. Oh my God, they sent the yak plushie. These are brand new and they are still available right now. Click the link in my description in case you guys want to pick one up for yourselves. I do believe all 3 colors are still in stock right now. They are so friggin' cute. I had to literally fight my dog not to try to rip this into pieces because it is, look at this, so adorable. I love how cute and fluffy it is. If you guys are collectors of JSC, you already know you have to pick this up. Now let's see what else we got here. I'm thinking that these are eyeshadow singles, so let me just unwrap them here. Yep, I literally will never get over how lucky I feel, how blessed I feel when I receive these packages. Look at all of these stunning colors. I think that we're gonna get another batch of these as well, because I do see another one bundled up here. Yep, tearing right in, of course. And yep, some more singles. These are so, so beautiful. Guys, stick around till the end of the video. I want to talk to you about what I want to do with these singles. I've been doing something new with my giveaways lately, and I really want your opinion on stuff. So stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to be asking you guys some important questions. I'm just stacking these up here. I am literally obsessed. Always the prettiest packaging. Stunning. Now let's dive into this. I do believe this is going to be the larger magnetic palette, and it is. I love the packaging on this. The crushed little pans of eyeshadow, so friggin' pretty. And we're just gonna go in here. I love the quality of these Z palette. I call it Z palette, but it's just a magnetic palette. If you guys remember back in the day, there were those Z palettes that everyone would buy and put their singles in. This quality is so much better than those. I love that there's a mirror included, and I love that it's so chrome beautiful. I think a majority of these singles are from the Star Ranch palette, as well as the Weirdo palette. I love, guys, that we're getting singles now to play with. I got distracted by the yak. I had to touch it one more time. But now I've put in some footage here, guys. I literally opened up every single one of the shadows that they sent. What I wanted to ask you guys, lately in my giveaways, what I've been doing is I want to always give as much as I can. So I've been taking the singles that I've been sent because I have obviously duplicates of every color. I want to give it to someone who does not have these colors. So I've been creating little custom magnetic palettes. Now, what my question is for you guys is that something that you're interested in? Have you guys been enjoying seeing those included in the giveaway? I'm thinking about, you guys know I'm doing a Valentine's Day giveaway on my channel. I'm thinking about including another custom palette. I do have a bunch of other singles still that have not been put into any palettes. So guys, let me know right now. Pause this video, or you don't really need to pause it as this is just really fast footage of me unboxing all of them. But let me know, would you like to see that in the next giveaway, or should I just focus it more on palettes that already exist and put those in there for you guys? I always want to do stuff that makes you guys happy. So definitely guys, please let me know. Can we take a minute? How stunning are these colors all together? I never would have thought that Weirdo and Star Ranch, the shades in there, would end up working out together. But looking at these colors all together, I just love the way they look. So frigging beautiful. Now, guys, how awesome is it now that we can, oh my gosh, I literally almost broke that there. How awesome is it now that we can make our own palettes? I love that the brand has finally introduced singles. Like, can you see how much I'm struggling here? I love that the brand has finally introduced singles and we can mix and match and make our own palettes. Sometimes you really love a palette, but there's like a row that you will not use in a palette. So the fact that we can now just go in and make our own exact signature palettes of exact colors that we know we're gonna use, I just think it's absolutely bomb.com. Why not go and do it? They always have specials on the prices. So guys, definitely take a look. I have everything linked down below. If you're ever curious to make your own palette, all of those links are there. Have some fun with it. Be creative. If you want to have boring colors, put all boring colors. It's the fact that we now have it in this lovely formula. Just look at that. Stunning. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly hope you enjoyed it. I love doing these quick little unboxings. And guys, please stay tuned. I'm gonna be announcing my giveaway super duper soon and you're not gonna wanna miss it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you on the next video. Bye guys.